Kamata, and on today's video we'll be cooking fish. Yeah, grilling if I'm not wrong. Ama ukipenda kudry your fish. I like it when it's grilled. Kama haijawekwa sijui kachumbari, sijui nini. So we are doing it so simple, and if nikikosea a certain step, kindly don't allow me sana. It's my first time using an oven, by the way. As you can see, ata it's so dusty. I'm first going to wipe the oven and see whether it's going to work. So just pray for me. It goes on when mimi hapa pa temperature sijui na nini hapa ndo pananikanganya. Comment down below and tell me, like, when you're grilling fish, at what temperature are you supposed to put and at what time, minutes ngapi. Continue subscribing, like this video if imekubamba, and share it all to anyone who loves cooking episodes. As you can see, it's so sparkling clean. So tatumia tu moja because there are two. So I'm going to use this one that is down over here. Try to tutatoa because we are not going to use this. Tatumia tu hii peke yake. Let me show you what we have in here. In here, everyone has got first time yake in everything. My sister is behind the scene. Imagine besties, guess what? This samaki, I got it at 300 bob. See how big it is? It's a tilapia. So I decided to just buy this and try cooking. I love fish a lot. First, I'm going to wash it and then dry it. We aren't going to use spices. So boom, I don't have spices at first. The only spice that I'm having is salt, and I don't know whether salt is a spice. And after all, I really don't like using spices in my food. I just feel kinda it's disgusting. But ukipika nitakula. Preheat the oven. The reason why you preheat the oven, sijui vizuri, but I'm going on how they're saying, ndo kutoa bacteria, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, maybe we can
20. And then at a temperature of, I'm going to put it at 180. Gosh, isn't it supposed to be? Oh my god, I really don't know much. And this this one I'm going to use it like
it's
this.
supposed to have some lights on.
Yeah. Oh. And that's baby. But the best is another ushamba I didn't know. I didn't know like this one is a handle. I'm telling you, if I hadn't googled it, ngepata kama melt cotton. Shock of my life. The next thing, I'm going to put kuku here. Shall try it. My sister has refused to do this because she doesn't know it all. Sana tukani mess up. So you can see my tilapia. And imagine I met up with some loom men, and they're like, how much did you buy this? Like, and then I know they're waiting. Like,
they love tilapia.
All this to that.
Nanga nikiwa na wewe, uwepo wako raha, sina wasiwasi na wewe, moyo wangu umeshajaa. I love you, kama videge tutapaa, naamini wewe wanifaa. I love you.
I wish ungekuja zamani, mwenzio kweli nilihangaika. Tuliumbwa tuwe naamini, bila wewe sijakamilika. Nakupenda mama, nakupenda, ua langu njema. Nakupenda, nakupenda mama, nakupenda, ua langu njema. Chemi chemi ya furaha.
This is going to use what I have. Yeah, it's working. You just use what you have. It's like wadau.
Yeah, you can't kill yourself.
Yeah, I can't kill myself over things that I don't have. I'm just going to use what I have. Here. Hey, can't wait to eat this fish. But the update on my mother, she got discharged from hospital and she's doing at least fine. And thank you to all who called me to ask of how she's feeling. Okay, I already see experts wanakatanga V-shaped like this. No, but for us,
we ain't experts.
We ain't experts.
Really?
Sister, are you going to enjoy my meat? What is it?
That knife is not sharp.
It's blunt. That's why
To me,
let me just use this.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me just wait.
Yeah, don't cut the fins.
Oh, like these?
Yeah.
It needs a lot of
Energy.
cow gali.
Yeah, guys, ugali yetu bado imebaki.
Yeah, you're going to eat this with ugali and some skuma.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Even this knife is blunt, sis. You know that?
No, you don't have energy. You're tiny.
Yeah.
The other side, nice.
Wow. Let me show you.
Show them.
Good wife. Can I have a little man over there? You should come and wife me now. This is not Kikuyu thing. This is not Kikuyu thing. Our 40 minutes are done. Wacha tutoe. Hatuna ile kitu ya kushika, but we are hoping to have it. Our fish.
Yeah. See. Okay, karibia.
Oh my gosh.
Oh shit.
Shitty.
Sivyo nilikuwa nakwambia, nilikuwa nimesema nitakuonyesha. Usichomeke. Sukuma na mbele.
So ni sukume na mbele.
Yeah, like that. Pole tu.
Okay.
Yeah, that's better.
That's much better. Let me test it for you, besties. Niwaambie. Oh. Ni moto. Wow. Sisi hebu test it hapo hivyo. Kuambia. Venye na test.
Nice.
It's nice, huh?
Delicious.
But tumifupa.
Ndio mingi.
Na mbona ni different na hizo zingine?
Kama ninaogopa.
I don't know, but mbona unaona ni kubwa?
Hii si tilapia, my sister. Hii? Not the. Hii?
Ni tamu, but
Take care, my daughters.
Right.
Take care.
Unajua siwaongeleshi.